How to remove Vizard AI Watermark. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So with today, let's get started. So first of all, launch any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome and then tap on the search bar and search for this app called 123 apps. Now as you do that, you'll be able to see different options. So just toggle on the very first options over here. After that, it will land you to the home page. Then just scroll down and under the view video tools option over here, you can see the option of remove logo from video over here. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, all you have to do is just tap and drop your file over here, and you can select the area of the watermark and it will be removed from the video or the project that you are using, and you'll be able to use the AI watermark and remove them from your video. So for that, you just need to upload the video, blur the logo, and then remove the logo and think about other tools. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.